Hey guys, it's your friend Juan here, and this is a quick demo video of VidRocket. Okay, so VidRocket is a powerful cloud app that allows you to create traffic generation videos in seconds. Okay, so basically, it's a video creator tool. Creating videos those days have been very hard. If you do yourself, you're gonna spend a lot of time, and if you decide to outsource, you're gonna spend a lot of money. So we decided to create this video creation tool here, so you can create beautiful videos that can generate traffic, leads, and sales for your businesses. Okay, so here I'm going to show you very quick each tool, what it does, so you can get the idea on the power of VidRocket. So first, you can create custom videos. This will create slideshow training videos for you, kind of training videos for you. Okay, then you can convert any web page into a video if you want, and then you can create a compilation videos which will merge multiple videos into one. Okay, and then you have a thumbnail maker as well, which allows you to make thumbnails for your videos so you can get more clicks into your videos once you upload them into the YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion. Okay, so let me start with create custom videos, and here I go to create. Then let's say I'm gonna create a video about weight loss. All I need to do is add a video title like weight loss. Then I can add multiple slides here. So this can be training slides. So let's say you have training slides, you can add each slide of your training here, and then just sync with the audio, and then create a training video with that. Or you can create those kind of slideshow videos that works very well too. Okay, so let me upload the image here. Then to upload the image, I can search for image. I can upload from my computer or from the URL as well. Okay, so if I go search here, I enter a keyword, so let's say weight loss. I just search for weight loss, and then it will give me thousands of images that I can use here for that, for my video. So let me select that one here. Let me select this one here, and this one here. And let's say I want to add more slides, I can. So it's just add new here, and select. And as you can see, I have the effects that I can add, like zoom effect, fade effect. I can change the slide text, font family, colors, and really everything, right? I can change the duration of each slide if I want, okay? And then I can upload the audio that can be a music or voiceover here. And then all I need to do is click save. And then the software will go there and create a slideshow video for me. So it's on processing right now. So let me show you what the video looks like. Okay, so I will download a video here that I just created, and open here just to show you the quality of the videos. So as you can see, okay, it created me a beautiful slideshow video. Okay, so and then I can create trainings as well. Like I said, you can upload your slides and then sync it with your voiceover, and then create a full training video as well that you can upload into YouTube or Vimeo. Okay, then I can turn any web page into a video. All I need to do is click here, and then let's say I want to turn this web page here, this post here, into a video. Okay, all I need to do is copy the URL, paste on the software, click, and it will fill all the fields here for me with image and text. Also, I can edit everything if I want. I can add audio as well, and then I just click save, and it will create a video from that web page. Okay, the video will be similar to the video just that I just showed you right now. Then last, you have the create compilation videos, which allows you to merge multiple videos. Okay, so you can merge multiple videos from YouTube with that. Okay, so all you need to do is go to compilation video here, create, and then here video title, weight loss. Let's say I want to create a video about weight loss, right? I just add weight loss here, and then I can merge multiple videos from YouTube. Okay, so here, if you go to upload video, you will be able to search videos on YouTube, and those videos that will be searched here are all copyright free, so you can use those videos and merge those videos to create a compilation video. Okay, so All I need to do is like, let's search for weight loss videos, just put weight loss here, search, and then it will find multiple YouTube videos here that I can use, okay, that are copyright free. Then I just select the ones I want. So let's say I want this one here, and then I want to merge with this one here, and then I want to merge with this one here and create a full compilation video. So I just added effects if I want. I can add some effects. I can add an intro and outro image, and now I need to do is click save, and the software will merge those videos and create one video from those 3 videos, okay? It will merge those videos and create a compilation videos of those videos. So that's the third way you can create videos. It's compilation videos. Then lastly, you have a thumbnail maker, which allows you to create thumbnails for your videos. Okay, then we have the thumbnail maker, which allows you to create thumbnails. So basically, it's an image editor here where allows you to create thumbnails for your videos. Okay, so let me use a sample here, but I can open a picture or create a new if I want. Let me open this here, and then I can add shapes to this image. Okay, so let's say I want to add this shape here. I can add text. So let's say I want to add text here, I can, okay. Then ways of losing weight, I can. I can add shapes, stickers, a bunch of things here. It's a full image editor that allows you to create thumbnails. So that's everything you have inside of VidRocket. It creates beautiful videos and also thumbnails for you. Thanks so much for watching.
Do you know the #1 way to get traffic online right now? Which is also the #1 way to get leads and sales right now too? Video. But here's the thing. Most people are not happy in front of the camera. Most people don't have the time, inclination or knowledge to create and edit videos. Is that you? I know it was most certainly me. But if we don't create videos, we're missing out on literally thousands in potential income, passive income. So what can we do? Well, it's a proven fact that people prefer videos over text. Look at the massive surge in popularity for short videos on the likes of YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So we know we should be creating videos, but seriously? Can we even be bothered with all that stuff? Shoot the video. Oh, later. Shoot the video again. Not happy with how you look, sound? Tell me about it. Been there, done that. And so we decided it was time to create a solution, but it had to be a game-changing solution. You see, it's not just about creating the videos. If you want videos that will generate traffic that converts into leads and sales, then there's a lot to consider, right? Coming up with ideas every day isn't easy. Creating videos from those ideas isn't easy. Record, edit, cut, add effects, trim, polish, perfect. It's enough to drive you insane, and for most of us, it's simply not sustainable. Wait, you can outsource it. What, $100 for a 30-second video? No thanks. Okay, breathe and say hello to VidRocket. VidRocket is a powerful cloud app that creates traffic-generating videos in seconds. With VidRocket, you can create 10, 20, 30, thousands of videos in a fraction of the time because VidRocket does all the hard work for you and does it quickly. In just a few seconds and with a push of a few buttons, you'll be able to have traffic-sucking videos created and ready to be uploaded to your favorite platforms. You can create videos in any niche that grow your list and explode your income. Look at what I did with just one video on YouTube. One video, 141,681 views and $4,343.33 in affiliate commissions. So here's a few things VidRocket can do for you. It creates training videos and slideshow videos, and you don't need to be on camera. It creates viral videos and compilation videos that get thousands of views and clicks. It turns regular text content into videos that people love to watch. It even turns any URL into a video. Oh, and it's cloud-based too, so nothing to install. It includes a thumbnail maker so you can make sure your videos will get clicks and views on YouTube. But that's not all. There's also full and easy to follow training and a no questions asked money back guarantee. It's super easy to use, and during the launch it's very cheap. But we want to make sure you don't miss out on this. And so we're also throwing in a special bonus. Once these bonuses have all been taken, we'll swap this video out for a non-bonus version. So the fact you're seeing this now means we still have bonus availability. So buy VidRocket now, and let me give you our award-winning software Ranker and the upgrade OTO1 Ranker Pro free. So what are you waiting for? Are you ready to create videos in any niche that grow your list and explode your income? Join us now. Click on the buy button and grab your copy, and we'll see you on the other side.